Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing the way we think about money. It's all about using blockchain technology to create financial systems that are open, transparent, and accessible to everyone. Imagine being able to lend, borrow, or earn interest on your assets without needing a bank. That's the beauty of DeFi. Let's dive into 3 practical ways you can make money with DeFi in 2025. First up is staking. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency in a network to help maintain its operations. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more cryptocurrency. For example, platforms like Lido allow you to stake Ethereum. You can earn a steady return on your investment while contributing to the network's security. It's a win-win. Next, we have lending. This is where you can put your assets to work by lending them out to others. Platforms like Aave make this process straightforward. You deposit your cryptocurrency into a lending pool, and borrowers pay interest to use your funds. The best part? You can earn interest rates that are often much higher than traditional banks offer. Just remember to do your research and understand the risks involved. Finally, let's talk about liquidity pools. This is where you provide your assets to a decentralized exchange, like Uniswap, to facilitate trading. In return, you earn a portion of the trading fees. It's a great way to earn passive income, but it's essential to be aware of impermanent loss, which can happen if the price of your assets fluctuates significantly. Always assess the risks and rewards before diving in. By exploring these avenues, staking, lending, and liquidity pools, you can tap into the potential of DeFi while keeping your investments as safe as possible. Remember, the key is to stay informed and make decisions that align with your financial goals. And don't forget about the $250 giveaway. It's a great opportunity to kickstart your journey into DeFi. Whether you're staking, lending, or providing liquidity, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you.